inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include San Antonio, Selma, Herodotus, Fair Oaks Ranch, Bull Verde, Chavano Park, Hollywood Park, Cross Mountain, The Dominion, Leon Springs, Timberwood Park, Government Canyon State Natural Area, Hill Country Village, Gray Forest, Fiesta, Texas, Scenic Oaks, and San Geronimo. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
It's still on flash flood till 9:24. But, all right. Well, good luck, Sandy.